Learn to live, live to learn. The mantra for a meaningful life. Learning is an ornament in prosperity, a refuge in adversity, and a provision in old age. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest, an interest that would secure your life, that could make it better, that could raise you to heights, which could make you an asset to the society and the world at large. Owing to this sentiment, Sri Sastha Group of Institutions was institutionalized to hail as the academic center for an all-round growth in the field of engineering, technology and management. Approved by AICTE, New Delhi and affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology is NBA accredited and an ISO 9001-2000 certified institution holding a pedigree among the institutions in Tamil Nadu. We have engineered our institution towards a need-oriented curriculum in a wide, resourceful and pleasurable ambience, offering a cost-effective education in your specific area of interest for an overall development of professional and personal ambitions in sync with the rising societal needs, shaping up your future career prospects with teachers who synergize value education and growth of each student. Our mantra for our evolvement, existence and growth is none other than learn to live, live to learn. Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology was established in the year 1999 under the aegis of A.M. Kanniyappa Mudaliyar and A.M.K. Jambulinga Mudaliyar Educational Trust. Our objective was to give quality education with an optimum result of achieving all-round growth of students. We are placed on the Chennai-Bangalore highway, 3 kilometers from Punamalli at Chembarambakam with an easy approach by rail, road and air. Sri Sastha Institute of Management and Computer Studies was started in the year 2001 with an objective of extending managerial, computer and corporate skills that are much in demand in the industrial and corporate sector. Our vision: Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology was a brainchild for evolving and contributing effective professional education for producing quality human resource of international standards to meet the technological needs of the country. Our mission is to develop into an institute of world-class reputation and advanced knowledge and educate students in the areas of technology, science and allied disciplines.
Our trust, A.M.K. Kanniyappa Mudaliyar and Jambulinga Mudaliyar Educational Trust, was established in the year 1992 for a noble cause, especially focused on education. In the year 1998, Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology was started with 4 branches, sprawling campus of 35 acres of land to provide quality technical education at reasonable cost. Within 3 years, it has obtained ISO 9000 and 9001, and the 6th year it has reached its peak and got accredited by National Board of Accreditation, AICTE, New Delhi. The campus has fully furnished separate academic buildings and has a total area of 4 lakh square feet built-up area. All departments are headed by doctorates. A good number of highly qualified, experienced and dedicated faculty is a major plus point of Sri Sastha Institute of Engineering and Technology, and many of them are also registered for their PhDs in various reputed universities. The major intake of our students are from DOT, that is Department of Technical Education, Chennai. There is a mixed gender ratio of girls and boys is around 60:40. 65% of our students are from reputed city schools and others are from neighboring states and neighboring countries. The future vision of Sastha is to give a quality education with a growing demand in education field, especially technically. And the college also looks for various areas in enhancing the skills of the faculties, that is allowing them to go into for more PhD works and also allowing the students to have larger exposure in many more areas. Definitely Sastha will strive to be one of the best premier institutions in the future. We step ahead to go into autonomous and then to a deemed university status. I wish Sri Sastha Jambu Group of institutions to grow more and more and to come out in flying colors in helping the society and the nation.
Our campus is huge with conservative yet definitive and constructive buildings with a sprawling open area. The ambience is much suited to the technological and professional learning. Every building is spacious and well ventilated to allow free flow of air and light. Sri Sastha Group of Institutions boasts of both UG and PG programs in engineering and management and computer studies. UG courses: Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, Biotechnology. PG course: ME VLSI Design, ME Computer Science and Engineering, ME Power Electronics and Drive, ME Communication System, ME Construction Engineering and Management. Every one of our departments has an infrastructure that is elite, vibrant and effective. Our computer lab facility is sophisticated and advanced with an objective to impart knowledge, to have an insight into the practical applicability and to aim for 100% pass result by adopting the best teaching methodologies. Excellent computer labs with high-end machines and latest industry standard original softwares with latest switches is our trademark. Our civil engineering department lab includes strength of materials lab, survey lab, concrete lab, soil engineering lab, fluid mechanics lab, environmental engineering lab, CAD lab. The CAD lab in the mechanical engineering department is one of the best with latest software updates for 2D drafting and 3D modeling. The CAM lab is equipped with latest model CNC trainer lathe and CNC milling machine. The department is equipped with the most advantageous dynamics lab, metrology lab, fluid mechanics lab and thermal lab. Electrical and electronics engineering offers lab facilities with special machines and equipment like electric drive and reluctance motor, which are effective and protective and safe. AC and DC machines are installed as prescribed by the university. Measurement and instrumentation lab is set with all types of bridges and instruments, enabling the students to understand the importance of calibration of energy meters and determination of impedances. Power electronics lab is superpowered with experiments on SCR characteristics. Programmable logic controller is special equipment for research activities. Electric circuit labs for freshers are an exclusive for the fundamental understanding of laws and theorems associated with complex network. Power systems simulation lab is tested and tried for enriching software development skills for analysis and simulation of power system required for its planning, operation and control. Electronics and Communication Engineering Department has 6 spacious state-of-the-art labs facilitating almost 300 students. The Microprocessor Lab has advanced microprocessor kits, advanced microcontroller kits, interfacing equipments and personal computers for interfacing. The VLSI Lab is equipped with Spartan 3 FPGA kit, Xilinx ISE 8.1i, Mini ARM processor and Model SIM. OFC and Microwave Lab and OFC Optical Fiber Communication Lab has the X-band microwave sources, reflex clickstrons and gun oscillators. RF and Communication Lab has the intrinsic spectrum analyzer, digital storage oscilloscope and wave analyzer. Computer Science and Engineering Department has 24/7 internet facility with high-end computers through LAN and high-end manageable switches with high-power UPS and servers with a line printer for bulk printing requirements is a specialty. Peripherals and Interfacing Laboratory is exclusively for hardware learning, including experiments involving motherboard chip-level troubleshooting in the real-time systems. Information technology having hit the biggest frontline mark in the 21st century, our objective is again 100% results with a better scope for higher education with better skill sets and job opportunities, and to implement the latest methodologies in projects and training the students. The highlight of the department are the audio-video equipments for lectures, augmentation courses for the students on prescribed curriculum, regular industrial visits,